Hi, I'm Sam from Dannells and welcome to our YouTube video. Today I want to show you our pleated lampshade sleeve, which is new to our range and is a really smart solution to add instant sophistication to your home. I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is to put together. So here's the sleeve itself, and it's made using our professional grade lampshade making PVC. And as you can see, if I just hold it up, it's been folded into these really neat accordion pleats. So this is to work with our French drum shade, which is this one here. And I've actually got our smallest size, which is 23 centimetres. So this comes in lots of different colours. And at the moment we have lots of neutrals and bold colours. You can see the scarlet red here, and then we've got bottle green. And then just behind me, we've got the grey as well. So you can find a shade to suit your home. This, as I said, this is a 23 centimetre, and I just want to show you the 39 centimetre shade. So I think you'll agree it's a really stunning and standout shade. Great for a home, fantastic for a standard lamp. So that's the largest shade that you can get at the moment. Just pop that down. So, the larger your shade, the more pleats it has, and that really gives you this really beautiful, full and balanced shade. So I'm just going to show you how to pop this on. So I've got the corresponding French drum lamp base here, frame here, and I'm just going to simply open this out, stretch it over, and I'm making sure that my notches, and you can see those cut out, are at the top, because they're actually going to lock onto the top of the frame. I'm just going to turn it onto its side, and I'm just going to put my hand underneath and gently lift it over the bottom of the frame. It tends to kind of stick in there, but you just need to coax it down really gently. It's really easy to do. And then what will happen is the notches will start to line up at the top here, and they've already started lining up with the top of the frame, and literally those then just clip into place. So I'll just get it started. There we go. So once I've got it lined up, I'm just gently pushing them down with my left thumb there. So you can see that in there, these are now clipped on, and I'm just going to keep on going round, just gently lifting the bottom of the pleated sleeve. There we go. And I'm not worrying too much about where I'm pushing them down. I'm literally just popping them on and making them secure and locked in. So just pulling that down a little bit, and it gets easier to pull it down the more are locked on. So now it's almost moved the shade down. So just keep going round to the beginning. There we go. And I'm just going to turn it onto its base, and just from the top, using the palms of my hands, I'm going to gently push in any that might have been missed. What I'm also going to do is just check that they've kind of evenly spread out around the shade. And the reason is, inside of the French drum shade, you have these spokes, and sometimes they can get caught either side and create a gap. So I'm just having a look and seeing if they're all spread out. Now here, there's a couple that are bunched together a bit too much because of a spoke, and I'm just simply going to lift off and put back on the other side, and that's much better. That's creating a much more equal shade. So it's as simple as that, really, and that now can stand on a shade carrier if you want to use it with a table lamp. So I'll just show you here. So this is a shade carrier, and you can get these in a number of different sizes and depths. So it depends on whether you want it to be quite short so your lampshade will hang over, or quite tall so it will sit higher up. So that's how you use it with a table lamp. So really simple. Great for cleaning as well. So if you just want to pop that off, give it a dust over and then pop it back, it's really easy to keep nice and clean. To hang as a pendant lampshade, you would need to use a spider, and you would attach this to your UK fitting as normal, and then simply pop this on and it will catch inside like that, and then that will now hang down from a pendant light as well. So a really great product, and as I said, available in a really lovely range of colours and very simple to put together. So if you're interested in lampshade making, we have plenty of support for you, and you can catch us on social media on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest. We also have a blog as well, and that's got lots of creative inspiration, educational tips, technical support should you need it, and that's at dannellsblog.com. So if you're interested in trying out our new pleated lampshade sleeve, please go to dannells.com and you can see the full range there, and we're hoping you'll try one in your home. Thanks for watching.